RapidTrans CHO media are serum-free, chemically defined, protein and peptide-free, and animal-derived component-free. The RapidTrans CHO Kit is designed for the transfection and protein expression of CHO cells. It is a ready-to-use kit containing basal medium feeds enhancer with optional PEI, enabling high-efficiency protein expression, including antibodies and antigens, in both R&D and large-scale production. Transient protein titers can reach over 200 mg per liter by day 5 and nearly 800 mg per liter by day 9. All three cases indicate that on day 7, the yield consistently exceeds 300 mg per liter, with a maximum of 566 mg per liter. Support high-density transfections with efficiency over 95%. Compared to global brands, it significantly increases antigen yields by over 130% and antibody yields by more than 50% by day 12.